Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now, open settings and go straight to sounds or sound and vibration so you can act. Enable vibrate on ring and vibrate on silent. Once done, switch the hardware silent slider if present to test both modes. You want to confirm the motor responds before deeper changes, so place the phone on a flat surface and trigger a test call or vibration test. This establishes a baseline. Software permission on, hardware accessible, and you know whether to continue with software adjustments or consider hardware repair. Once the motor responds, refine how it vibrates. On Android, set vibration intensity for ring, notifications, and touch. On iPhone, go to sounds and haptics and increase system haptics and ringtone strength. Then make sure each app's notification settings allow vibration. Messages, phone, and key apps must have vibration checked. Also, check Do Not Disturb exceptions so important contacts or alarms still vibrate. You do this because intensity and per app permissions control whether you physically feel alerts. Now verify everything. Make a test call, send a message, and use a vibration test app to run patterns. You should feel distinct pulses. If vibration still fails, reboot the phone, install any pending OS updates, and reset network or all settings. These steps clear software faults. If no change, inspect for physical damage or water ingress because the motor can fail. If hardware is likely, contact service or replace the vibration motor. A single troubleshooting tip. Try a safe mode or diagnostic test before paying.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.